Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best Gyuto knives that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Gyuto Knives. Gyuto knives are popular for being all-purpose blades and are known for their ability to slice through beef and other types of meats. They double as versatile blades that fit several duties and tasks in the kitchen. You will often find that they are shorter and thinner than chef's knives, but feature extremely durable steel that holds its edge longer than chef's knives. Number 5. Yoshihiro Kurachi Black Forged Blue Gyuto Chef's Knife. One of the most popular knives that a cook can have today is a Japanese all-purpose chef's knife known as a santoku knife. Main features: lightweight and ergonomically. Style handcrafted octagonal handle. Highly reactive carbon steel. Number 4. Shun Cutlery Classic 7 inches Asian Cook's Knife. Lighter than most typical chef's knives, the classic Asian Cook's narrow profile still allows plenty of knuckle clearance when cutting on a board. Main features: long-lasting, durable and corrosion-resistant. VG Max stainless steel. Number 3. Tokaji Chef Knife Gyuto Knife. Lightweight, strong and extremely durable, elutes moisture or liquid intrusions, is physically stable in varying climates or high temperatures, and offers an ergonomic structure and weave texture. Main features: lifetime warranty. Damascus steel. 8 to 13 degree angle. Number 2. Enso Large Chef's Knife Gyuto made in Japan. The Enso HD Chef's Knife is designed for slicing, dicing. With its curved belly, the chef's knife can be gently rocked through fresh herbs. Main features: lifetime warranty. VG10 Japanese Damascus steel. Black canvas micarta handle. Number 1. Yoshihiro VG10 16-layer hammer Damascus Gyuto knife. Hand wash only and sharpen on quality whetstones. 100% handcrafted by skilled tradesmen in Japan. Main features: premium mahogany wood handle. VG10 Japanese stainless steel. 3-layer construction. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.